So hey everyone, welcome back to another Tranter show video here, and today, what we are going to do is do an AI cover. So I'm gonna get Taylor Swift, "The Sin," "How to Be Alive" by James Blunt. This is a fantastic song sung by James Blunt, but I think it could be more fantastic if we made it sung by Taylor Swift. Obviously, you could do any song of any artist. So obviously you need to download the song from YouTube or from whatever you're using. Obviously I cannot show you because this video will get removed off YouTube because it's against YouTube's policy. But obviously, you know, I bet once you got your song, you need a couple of things. You need Google Collabs, which there will be a link down below. You need to be part of the Discord called HB Hub to actually get the voices, as well as then the other thing that we also need then is a tool or software where you can remove the instruments as well as the voices from each other, so that when then you have the separate file for the voices, separate for the instruments, if that makes sense. So what we're gonna do is for a minute start off with converting our song from uh converting our song to the instruments and voices only. So the first thing we do is select our input, select our song, click open, there's software, select the output, so this is where it's going to be saved. I'll select that mine saved the same file, so I'm going to click select that file. From here then, the other thing we need to do is to go to the spider tool, go to the download center, click on the middle one, so we're going to click on top of that, and obviously we want to look for the one which we're currently using, which is the Kim Round 2, which usually would be here, but as I already got mine already pre-downloaded, that obviously I don't have to re-download it. So once you download that, you can select, you have to open this button, select on it, start converting, let it convert. Well, now that is done, I'm going to go in our folder, and then we have three. So we have the original song, we have the voice, as well as then the instruments. So as the instruments is usually the first one. Which sounds pretty good. And also then we have our second one, which is our voices.
When my heart doesn't beat anymore and my body's cold, you will walk.
Which again sounds pretty good. Pretty good. If there's like too much like effects or stuff on it, which I think this one does a little bit, we could do is run it again through the software, and then now and then I convert it in just to being the voices, so that I'll have like less effects on it. But obviously I think that should be okay, just for what we're doing. Now, the next parts it's quite easy. Is to go to our Google documents. Is to click insert, continue to run anyway, let it run anyway. So this bit's installed. So for the next bit I'm going to get ready for is to go on Discord, copy our link for our Taylor Swift voice. Obviously this guy does have voices links that you can use, but you know. Hi, so what we're going to do is now is to insert our link for the Taylor Swift voice. Click download. Well, we'll just leave that to download. Now, voice model is done. What I can do now for the third and final step is to click play on this little logo. Let it run. Then we're going to wait and until it says open public URL. No idea why I said that, but like an AI. So now I'm just going to wait. So this will have the Taylor Swift AI already downloaded for us or uploaded on this website. And that's all we're doing is provide the voice of the song that we want to change or the voice of the character that we want to change. So we're gonna go to the public one. Now that is done, we can insert our or upload our instruments, our voice, sorry, our instruments. Now, what we want to do is to just keep on freshening this bottom site. There we go. Now it's got our voice. Now we click convert. Now we can actually listen to what it sounds like.
When my heart doesn't beat anymore, and my body's cold, you will walk dressed in black to my door.
I think it's because it's a male to female. So I'm going to do hello that on by 5, convert it again. Actually, it might be the other way out.
When my heart.
Yeah, it was the other way to go. So we'll try it 5 again. Obviously, because a female does tend to have a higher pitched voice. So it'll go higher, and when you're converting it from a male to female, obviously we'll do that lower.
When my heart doesn't beat anymore, and my body's cold, you will walk.
That actually sounds pretty good. So what we're going to do is download it now. Just click the little 3 dots, let it download. It will go straight into a download file.
Every day is closer to the end.
So there we go. We got Taylor Swift, How to Sin, How to Be Alive, by James Blunt. If you do want to listen to the full AI cover, it will be on my secondary channel, DJ Tranter, which will be live the same time this video goes live. As well as there will be a link at the end of this video. There's obviously a link then to the full song down below. The reason I uploaded it to this channel, as this channel is kind of my channel I just don't really care about. So this channel gets copyrighted, it gets copyrighted type scenario. You know what I mean? I'm not making money off this channel. This channel is just purposely me mucking about, essentially. But yeah, if you want to listen to the full song, feel free to get listening. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.